so now I'm making a video here. We're getting ready to go to Silver Lake for Labor Day weekend, and gonna take the race truck and the blue truck. So, or the C1500 and the blue truck. I kind of started calling it the race truck. It's not literally, but it's the raciest thing I've ever had. So, anyways, I'm getting ready for that, and I'm gonna throw some paddles on the C1500 two-wheel drive, and also gonna put in a different gear set for it and a limited slip differential. I've actually got this rear end here that I just bought and picked it up for a couple $100, and so this one is actually a four-wheel drive axle, so a 6-lug on the shafts there, and this is just kind of sitting out in the back 40 for a while, it looks like, but that had 342s in it, same thing as what the truck has in it now. I bought this 513 ring and pinion set for it, so I'm going to put that in here. Got the governor lock, factory 10-bolt governor lock that I'm going to use, and we'll see how that lasts, if it does at all. And then over here, I got some paddle tires that I bought for it, and you can see I'm working on trying to seat those babies right now, so been having a little bit of difficulty, but anyways, we'll get them done one way or another. I got 2 days to get those babies seated on there. So I'm just kind of telling you guys what I'm doing. I probably won't show too much of it, but anyways, we're gonna get this all put together here and get this slapped into the truck, and they'll just be you know, temporary, not temporary like, you know, I'm gonna change something or whatever, but temporary, like I'll probably just use this axle if I ever take it to the dunes again or whatever. But this way, this is the only two-wheel drive truck I have, so anyways, this axle will go into a couple other trucks I have if I ever decide I want to too. So anyways, that's the route that I'm going, so stick around, stay tuned, and watch what happens. Thanks. And let you guys take a peek at it. So I got everything in here as far as the ring and pinion and the carrier and all that. All my clearances set. So I got that little bitty pinion in there. Thick old ring gear. And what I didn't realize, I've never put this little gear set in something before, but my cross pin won't go through my differential there. You can see it's, that gear's too thick. So anyways, I'm going to grind off just a little bit of this tooth right here, just this last little bit of it that I would need to get this pin in, and then you know, I'll get it in, and that'll just be what it is. So say I don't plan on running this rear end down the road or nothing, it's just for fun. So just gotta do what you gotta do. But anyways, thought I'd give you guys a little peek of that anyways, and keep on moving. Now I got a new method here. So I've got an inner tube on the one side of it here, and then I'm going to flip it over, put the air on it, and then also use the bead seeder and see if that will seal it enough that I will pop it out. Saw her on the old YouTube. We're gonna give her a shot. Day out here, nice breeze, and I got this rear end in, and now we're just gonna go try her out, see how she goes. It looks pretty goofy with the 6-lug on there, but these are the wheels that come with the axle, so I'm gonna use them up. That was a lot of fun. Clearly everything works out just fine, so I think it's going to be sweet over at the dunes, and then I'll even have a smaller tire on there yet when I'm over there. It's 30-15-15 is the dimensions, but anyways, you can see right here. Let me adjust to it. Right here, this tire is 30 inches tall. So that's a 265, 75, 16, and that's 30 inches tall. So we'll see what these other ones are mounted up on my other wheels that are 15 wide, and I think that'll bring my diameter down maybe a little bit, and that'll help too to really get as much as I can out of those gears. But I'm very impressed with how well everything seems to work. I think it's going to be a hoot. I still got to get those tires mounted up. They're over at my buddy Steve's. He's giving me a hand, and we got them out sitting in the sun stretching some tubes in them right now. So hopefully later today we'll get those mounted up and everything will be great. But so far so good, and done some fun, so keep watching, and we'll see if we can get everything prepped and ready to go on this trip.